Meanwhile, Reggae Boyz head coach Steve McClaren says that the team is getting increasingly more difficult to select following impressive performances from the current crop of players. The boys are only 2 matches away from qualifying for their second ever FIFA World Cup.
With a large number of first-team players either just returning or missing due to injury, it allowed for others to come in and stake their claim in the Reggae Boyz squad. Players like Leon Bailey and Damari Gray are still out of the team due to injury, and coach Steve McClaren says it will be very difficult to select a team once everyone is available.
Still watching players, but making sure that the squad that we've got, you know, the likes of Damari and Leon Bailey, that they start playing for their clubs and get fit, so that you know, it's becoming a headache, not just picking the team but picking the squad now, because there is quality from the goalkeeping position all the way, and for a coach like today, you can change and nothing changes, it carries on and sometimes gets better.
3 local bred players led the line for the Reggae Boyz against Bermuda, and McClaren was very impressed with what they brought to the table.
We needed energy after Curacao, and Kahim came on, and Shamak, and when they came on, they were a real handful against Curacao. Cephas is always a threat, and it was just a case of you know, the likes of Kadamatri and Tyrese Campbell played 60 minutes, and Kahim and Shamar played 30, so I just flipped it and reversed it and said I want energy from the beginning.
Dujon Whisper Richards was also one of the standout players in this qualifying window.
We threw him on for 30 minutes, you could see the quality he had. The 2 days training we've had with him has just emphasised even more what a player that he can be. There's a long way to go, but I think in the 2 cameo performances, he's really impressed, looked a threat, and what an addition to the squad. And I think he's might have taken that upper level.
The Reggae Boyz' 2 remaining games will be contested in the November window. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.